The latest Bitcoin, BTC, futures exchange traded fund, ETF, to be launched in the US. The VanEck Bitcoin Strategy ETF, XBTF, has had a slow start compared to its two earlier competitors, ProShares BITO and Valkyrie's BTF. But lower costs and a stronger brand should attract more capital over the long term, some analysts argue. When ProShares launched the first Bitcoin futures ETF, BITO, on October 19, it was quickly deemed one of the most successful ETF launches of all time in the US. The fund saw a turnover of almost $1 billion in the first day of trading, ranking it behind only a BlackRock carbon fund on the list of the most popular ETF launches in the country. Over the first 2 days of trading, BITO amassed $1 billion under management, the quickest an ETF has ever done so, according to a report by Bloomberg. Since the launch, assets managed by BITO have for the most part lingered between $3 billion and $4 billion, Bloomberg said, while noting that the second ETF, Valkyrie's BTF, had amassed just $60 million at the time of writing. For VanEck's new Bitcoin ETF, however, things have been different, to say the least. Despite coming with a significantly lower management fee of 0.65%, compared with 0.95% for BITO and BTF, the new fund saw a trading volume of just $8 meters on its opening day, a world away from the $1 billion that BITO saw during its debut. Commenting on the launch, Bloomberg's own ETF expert Eric Balchunas said that about $5 million on day one would normally be pretty good. However, it is being shadowed by the absurd $1 billion BITO laid down, not to mention $78 million that BTF did, Balchunas added. And while the third ETF's debut was less stellar than the first two, it could still gain some ground compared to the other two as time goes by, other experts Bloomberg spoke with have argued. I imagine VanEck will pick up some money because brand matters, and VanEck is spotless, Dave Nadig, chief. He added that price matters and that 30 basis points is a lot, referring to the significant difference in the annual fees charged by the three ETFs on the market so far. Meanwhile, crypto analysis company CryptoCompare wrote in a report published on Tuesday that total investment inflows into Bitcoin-based investment products surged during the month of October.